Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to completely disable Copilot in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to completely disable Copilot and all the different AI features, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open a website. It's a link of this website. I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to open this link in my browser. And once you open the link, you must see a website here. You just have to scroll down and you will see a command here. So just look for the command. Here's the command. I'm gonna copy this. And once you have copied that command, just go back. Now you have to simply search for PowerShell in your system. It's a Windows PowerShell. Right click on it and then click on Run as an administrator. Click on Yes. And now on this screen, you just have to paste your copied command and then hit enter. So once you have done, it will automatically remove all the AI features. You must see here, you can see there's a remove into AI. So you will see, and you have to make sure that all these boxes are checked. And once you have done, just click on apply. If you want to install any classic window app using these or anything from here, so you can also install that from here. Or if you don't want to install anything from here, you can easily click on apply and it will completely delete all the AI features including Copilot from your PC. So in this way you can easily disable your Copilot in Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.